Fortunately, your Windows PC comes with a free tool called Disk Management that makes it simple to reallocate unused disk space to a drive that can use some extra room. Now, if you want to move disk space and learn more about the process, you have to keep watching on this video. Now, to do it, simply open the Start menu, type in Computer Management, and open it by running it as an admin. Then, click Disk Management, right-click on the drive, and select Extend Volume. Now, if the option is grayed out, you may not be running Computer Management as an administrator, or the value is formatted with a file system that cannot be extended. But once you have clicked on it, in the Extend Volume Wizard window, you have to click Next, then choose how much space you want to allocate the C drive, and once done, click Next to continue and select Finish to extend the space to the C drive. So that's how easy you can move this space between the C drive and the G drive in Windows Computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.